Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Another son of Lord Brahma was Irreligion, whose wife's name was Falsity. From their combination were born two demons named Dambha, or bluffing, and Maya, or cheating. These two demons were taken by a demon named Niriti, who had no children. It is understood herein that Adama, Irreligion, was also a son of Brahma, and he married his sister Mrisha. This is the beginning of sex life between brother and sister. This unnatural combination of sex life can be possible in human society only where there is Adama, or Irreligion. It is understood that in the beginning of creation, Brahma created not only saintly sons like Sanak, Sanatan and Narad, but also demonic offspring like Niriti, Adama, Dambha and Falsity. Everything was created by Brahma in the beginning. Regarding Narad, it is understood that because his previous life was very pious and his association very good, he was born as Narad. Others were also born in their own capacities, according to their backgrounds. The law of karma continues birth after birth, and when there is a new creation, the same karma comes back with the living entities. They are born in different capacities according to karma, even though their father is originally Brahma, who is the exalted qualitative incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead.